Traditional metadata tools rely on manual ingestion and limited technology coverage, resulting in incomplete, outdated, and untrusted data discovery that slows modernization, compliance, and AI initiatives. Orion Governance's Enterprise Information Intelligence Graph, EIIG, automatically ingests metadata from 70+ technology sources, including mainframes, databases, data lakes, ETL pipelines, BI tools, and languages like Java and Python, and weaves it into a unified knowledge graph. This creates an end-to-end map of enterprise data flows, enabling accurate, scalable, contextual, and actionable data discovery. By continuously capturing schemas, tables, fields, data types, statistics, usage patterns, and relationships, EIIG ensures completeness at scale. Near real-time metadata refresh keeps search results current, restoring trust in data catalogs. Through ingestion of technical, business, operational, and social metadata, EIIG enables rich context-driven discovery that goes beyond keyword search to dynamic insights. It also supports governance-aware discovery by capturing classifications, sensitivity tags, ownership and policies, ensuring secure, authorized access. Ultimately, EIIG accelerates time to insight, reducing time spent searching and validating data, while increasing reuse, minimizing duplication, and enabling faster decision-making.